Wanna know how to change your avatar in Lovable AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Lovable AI application, and once you're there, here you should be provided with various interfaces. And now on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile right here. So make sure you are logged in for this. So we have also created a video on how to log in and sign up, so make sure to watch it. So once you have selected your current profile, right here you should be seeing settings beside invite. So you can just simply select it. Now once you have selected settings, here you should be seeing various options opening up. So you can just simply scroll down a little bit, or on top you should be seeing workspace avatar, and right beside it you should be seeing this pencil icon or edit icon. Just simply select edit icon right here. And now you can just simply select any photos from here and it should be selected as your avatar, and that's it. It should be automatically saved and you should be good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.